Yo, what's up internet, Tomas Peter here. I'm a top-rated freelancer on Upwork and I made thousands of dollars editing videos. And in this video I wanna show you my mouse settings, right? Here on the screen you can already see the mouse. Yeah, this is the mouse I use. UtechSmart Venus Gaming Mouse RGB wired, yeah. This is the mouse I use. As you can see, this mouse costs around $30. All links will be in the description so you can buy this mouse. Yeah, as you can see, this is a gaming mouse, yeah, with side buttons and a fire button on the top. And there are also another two buttons on the top, yeah, with arrows. Yeah, so there is lots of extra buttons, yeah, that's why is this mouse so good for gaming and also for video editing, yeah. Let's check some other pictures of this mouse, yeah. Yeah, but the most important thing about the mouse are the side buttons, yeah, they are very useful, yeah. You can assign a keyboard shortcuts to the side buttons, yeah, and use them to your advantage, yeah. So let's have a look to the settings, yeah. As you can see, there is application like this that comes with the mouse, and here you can assign all the keyboard shortcuts. Yeah, let's check the front first. This is more simple. I will leave a link to my template folder, yeah, I exported, yeah, save as. I exported this layout, yeah, so it will be available in the template folder in the description, so you can just import it, yeah, and use the same settings that I'm using, yeah. So yeah, now let's have a look, yeah, to the settings, right? So yeah, number 1 is just click, number 2 is right click, nothing special, yeah. Number 3, the wheel is Alt plus P. Number 4, the fire button is Shift plus this line, yeah. Number 5, it's Control plus Tab, yeah, that's the top arrow button. And number 6 is the Control Shift plus Tab, yeah, this is the down arrow button, yeah. Now let's have a look at the side, yeah. Let's see some of the side buttons, yeah. This is the more interesting part, yeah. The side buttons are very useful, yeah, there is 12 of them, so let's have a look. Yeah, so number 1 is backward, number 2 is forward, number 3 is switch window, number 4 is Shift plus smaller than, yeah, number 5 is Shift plus greater than, number 6 is F, number 7 is J, number 8 is L, number 9 is K, number 10 is volume down, 11 is volume up, 12 is print screen, yeah. So that's those side buttons, yeah. Now let's check some of the other settings, yeah. Here is some scroll speed, pointer speed, acceleration, yeah, as you can see, yeah. You can just copy the same settings that I'm using. But as I said, yeah, there will be a link in the descriptions with the file. You can just import it and it's done, yeah. So let's check now the DPI. Here you can see there's a DPI 5, yeah. You can just copy the same one I'm using or you can use your own, yeah. Let's see what's next. Yeah, this is the light. You can change the color of the light of the mouse, yeah. I'm using the red. Yeah, brightness level medium. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's all the settings you can change here. So now let's see maybe some of the keyboard shortcuts in practice. Yeah, now I'm pressing number 3 and you can see I'm switching window, yeah. Maybe let's see volume up, yeah. You can see in the corner here the volume is increasing. I'm pressing the number 11 button and number 10, yeah. Yeah, so that's increasing the volume. And now let's try to take a screenshot, yeah. Select area and I can take a screenshot, yeah. So yeah, that's this. Yeah, so as you can see the buttons are working perfectly if you assign the keyboard shortcuts to them, yeah. Now I'm gonna show you maybe some example in Premiere Pro. Yeah, so here we got some test, yeah. I'm gonna show you the keyboard shortcuts, yeah. And now I'm pressing the fire button, yeah, I got the keyboard shortcut assigned to this, yeah. And the playhead is moving, yeah, so this is very useful. Otherwise, if you just click with your left button, yeah, the playhead is not gonna move, yeah. So if you press the fire button, this is very useful. For this one, yeah, the playhead is gonna move very quick. Another thing is I got the assign a save, yeah, to the top arrow, yeah, on the top. So when I press it, yeah, it's gonna save. If I press number 8, it's gonna go faster forward, yeah. If I press number 7, it's gonna go backwards faster, yeah. So that's these very useful shortcuts that you can use in Premiere Pro. And of course you can use different layout, yeah. For example, you can do a profile 1, yeah, and you can use it for gaming or for something else, yeah. You can see you can do 5 different layouts, yeah, here. Yeah, so you have seen some live demonstration of the keyboard shortcuts, both cases, right? When you are using PC in general and when you are using it in Premiere Pro, yeah? So it's very useful in both cases. That's pretty much it, what I wanted to say in this video, yeah? So let's do a quick recap. Yeah, so as I said, all links will be in the description, yeah? There will be a link to buy this mouse, yeah? And there will be a link to download my template folder where will be the mouse layout, yeah? So you don't have to do it all yourself, you can just import the file and it's done, yeah? So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.